Here at Altoz, we've always been inspired by a passion for excellence to serve our customers. I believe our customers see that in our zero-turn lawnmowers and our Switch mobile tool compact carrier. We also want to bring that passion into our community here at Red Lake Falls. It's amazing what a casual conversation in the grass at track and field day with the principal can flourish into.
The inspiration for our partnership with Altoz came about when I was attending a session at a conference in Minneapolis. I got to hear how a principal in Austin partnered with Hormel, and I thought, I've got Altoz right here in Red Lake Falls. This is the perfect opportunity to work with a great company and support our students.
Reading aloud is so critical for kids. It supports their language, it helps them build their language, it helps them build their vocabulary, it helps them build background knowledge. It's just the main foundation of reading.
They love it. The kids, they love to read with others, seeing adults that can be their new friends. It was a great experience when they came in. Kindergartners were so proud of being able to show how smart they were this time of the year. Everything is starting to connect in kindergarten, so when the Altoz workers came in and collaborated with the kids, it was fun to see just building off of the reading and what we've already learned.
And today is the big day. We get to go to Altoz and see how this all comes together. Kids are excited. They've got relatives there. They've driven past the building. You see the big red Altoz building. They're excited. They want to go and tour and see what their relatives and their cousins and their friends and aunts and uncles and grandmas and grandpas do.
It's refreshing, actually. You see these young, eager minds always open and ready to learn, and it was refreshing to see that, kind of bring that perspective back into the workplace. Going in their environment and bringing them into our environment was a lot of fun. Working with the kids, working with the teachers, the principal, the paras, everybody involved, and kind of opens your eyes working with your coworkers, seeing that new perspective from what that young, fresh mind brings into our workplace.
I really feel that for businesses to partner with the community, they need to be involved in schools. These kids are the future of Red Lake Falls. They're the future of Red Lake County, Minnesota, and the world, really. And when you've got a company like Altoz that's invested with the community, it's just a perfect match.